WeatherTech SeatBack Cargo Liner HP is designed to safeguard the base and up the back seats of your vehicle's cargo area. To install your SeatBack Cargo Liner HP, first, unroll the liner and allow it to lay flat. Then, identify any ISOFIX attachment points on the back of your seats. If you would like those attachment points to be visible after installing your liner, you will need a pair of scissors at this time. Use the designated trim lines on the underside of the liner to carefully cut and remove the material. Next, fold the rear seats of your vehicle down into the flat position. Then, fold the seat back sections of your SeatBack Cargo Liner HP on top of the base section and place it onto the base of your vehicle's cargo area. Extend the seat back sections of the liner onto the back of the seats, aligning the ISOFIX attachment points with their respective cutout sections on the liner. Once positioned, remove the backing paper from the supplied hook and loop fasteners on the underside of the seat back section of the liner. Place it flat against the seat backs and firmly press down on the liner. To ensure the fasteners properly adhere to your vehicle's seat backs, keep the seats in the SeatBack Cargo Liner HP in the flat position for a minimum of 48 hours before returning it to the upright position.
Radco, your truck accessories pro.